Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add Presto Card in Google Wallet. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there's going to be a few steps for you to add your Presto Card into your Google Wallet. So begin by logging into your Presto account and clicking on the Add Card option. Now from there, choose Presto Card in Google Wallet and under the Get a New Card section. Now go through the following screens and hit on continue. Now from there, load funds or a transit pass into your new card and assign a nickname to it. Now from there, save the card to your device by selecting add to Google Wallet. Now your Presto and Google Wallet is now ready to use. Now, a few information about this one. So your fare type, balance, past products, and card settings, auto-load, auto-renew contracts will be moved to the digital card in Google Wallet, ensuring a smooth transition of these features. Note that existing transaction history will not be transferred. If you require transaction history for reimbursements or tax purposes, it is advisable to download it from the Presto website before converting your physical card to a digital Presto card in Google Wallet, or continue using your physical Presto card for fare payments. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.